Are you looking for a powerful and luxurious off-road SUV? Meet the GWM Tank 500, an impressive flagship from Great Wall Motors. This SUV is designed to take on giants like the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado and the Ford Everest. Let's do a quick look on these two models, and then we can jump back to GWM Tank 500. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Ford Everest is the same SUV segment, but GWM Tank 500 bring a different aura as an SUV car. The Tank 500 stands out with its bold, commanding design. Its boxy silhouette and prominent grille make a strong visual impact. This SUV features LED lighting, high ground clearance, and rugged underbody protection. Owning the GWM Tank 500, you won't need to cough extra fund to install any body kit since this SUV comes with a versatile design that shows GWM's own identity. You can even choose two-tone paint schemes and a panoramic sunroof. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that rivals top-tier SUVs. The cabin boasts luxurious materials like leather upholstery and wood accents. It also features a massive 14.6-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 12.3-inch digital cluster, and 3-zone climate control. GWM offers voice control and smartphone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Many advanced features ensure a comfortable ride, including massage seats and ambient lighting. The SUV offers 3 rows of seating, making it suitable for families. Second-row captain's chairs are available in luxury trims, enhancing comfort for rear passengers. Under the hood, the Tank 500 packs a punch. It has a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower and 500 newton-meters of torque. Its 9-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4-wheel drive make it ready for any adventure. With multiple off-road modes, it's equipped for tough terrain while still being smooth on highways. When it comes to safety, the GWM Tank 500 doesn't hold back. It features advanced driver assist technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. With a 360-degree camera system, driving is safer and easier. Now, let's talk pricing. The Tank 500 is competitively priced, starting at around Rm350,000 on the road that includes 5-year service maintenance, lifetime warranty for engine, transmission, and HEV system, 8 years or 200,000 kilometers power battery warranty, and 6 years unlimited mileage vehicle warranty. It's incredible value for a vehicle that offers luxury and off-road capabilities. The GWM Tank 500 is a formidable challenger in the SUV market. It delivers luxury, technology, and rugged performance at an attractive price. If you want an SUV for both city driving and outdoor adventures, consider the Tank 500. You could be part of the trend makers to revolutionize SUV as a luxury automobile when you own the GWM Tank 500.